Magidoo is proud to introduce the latest innovation in aqueous parts cleaning technology. Manufactured out of necessity, the HP series was developed to reduce labor cost, increase productivity, and improve cleaning performance, all while eliminating the need for harsh solvents. The high-powered cleaning action of the HP series effectively removes grease and tough grime by delivering over 850 psi of parts cleaning performance through the handheld spray wand. To operate the washer, simply load your parts into the washer, reach into the gloves, and activate the foot pedal switch to begin your parts cleaning project. The HP series are available in 2 sizes to fit your cleaning application. Standard features include 304 stainless steel construction for durability, ergonomic spray wand, powerful LED light and window-mounted air manifold for increased visibility, air blow-off wand to dry your parts, stainless steel filter canister and cartridge filter for extended fluid life, a valve to drain the tank. Standard safety features include 24-volt electrical design, automatic door shutoff switch, liquid level sensor, and emergency stop button located on the control panel. Magidoo understands that every customer has different needs, so we customize each parts washer to match your exact specification.